So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Akhil, and on this channel I share daily tips and tricks about technology so that you can access easily and make your work more efficient. If you enjoy my content and want to see more, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. By subscribing, you will joining a community of like-minded people who are passionate about working smartly in Excel. Plus, it's completely free and you can always unsubscribe later if you change your mind. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video. So as you saw on thumbnail, today I'm gonna tell you how to create multiple number of folders and their subfolders. So keep watching the complete video, and at the last you will for sure learn you can use in your work as well. Okay, let's go to Excel and start the video. I opened the Excel and here are n number of folders, like it is 19 number of folders, and we have to make these folders. Okay, so for that, first of all, in this cell you have to write a code. That is what I'm writing. That's follow my procedure as per I'm doing that. So first of all, just beside of the folder name Milind, you have to write the code md, that is make directory. That means you have to give the path to the folder. Okay, so this is md. After that, you have to give space and then type double inverted comma, and then you have to write the name of the folder. The name of the folder is Milind. Okay, so this is Milind, and then you have to complete the inverted comma. Okay, and you can type, you can click anywhere. After that, you have to click on just beside of Akhil, and after that we have to make all the codes as it is, as we written in this cell. Okay, C3. So keep your cursor here and then go to data, and after that here is one tab is flash fill. Okay, control plus E, you can also do that. So I will click on it and you can see this code is coming here. Okay, so what you have to do, just you have to copy all the codes. Okay, how you will copy? First of all, you have to select. Okay, so for selection you have to press the keyword from your keyboard, control shift and down arrow key. So this will select, and after that control plus C, that is the copy. And then you have to open the notepad from your search window. So this is the notepad. Then you have to paste control plus V. Okay, after pasting, just save your file as save as, and then it makes to all files, and write here any folder name. For example, I give any name, no problem, like folder. Okay, and make sure your file should be saved with the extension .bat. Okay, this is the extension of, it should be extension of your file. Then keep your, you locate your file where you want to save it. So I will save anywhere, no problem with this, Akhil. Okay, I'll keep here and I'll save here. Okay, so in this folder I have to saved it and close this from here. After that, we have to go to that folder where we had particular folder. Now we have located our file in the name folder. Okay, after that we have to create number of folders as we mentioned here. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to double tap on it, and whatever the folder we have prepared here, that all 19 folders will be come in that particular folder name. Okay, so just see the magic. I'm double tapping on it, double tap, and program is run, and you can see all the 19 folders have created here automatically in a single click. So this is the magic of batch file extension. Now I'll go to the subfolders, how we can create subfolders, but it will be on the second part, so keep watching on second part. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you decide to subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestions for future videos or topics you had like to me to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. And as always, I will see you in the next one.